Hi there. So I hear some barbecue chefs say that you should try and avoid flame ups, and I don't know whether they mean just for burgers or they mean steaks, but my opinion absolutely is you really do need to encourage a flame up on a steak. When you flame grill it, you create intense heat, and if you manage those flames properly, what will happen is you'll be able to get a beautifully charred, crispy outside to your steak whilst maintaining medium or rare or whatever cook you want in the middle. It's important you start off with the ability to really char the outside of that steak, and of course fat itself is a help to you in that instance. So I would say always try to buy steaks that have got a decent bit of fat around the sirloin side if it's a T-bone, because what will happen is the flames will melt that fat, the fat will create more flames, the heat will go up, and that gets you the ability to create a wonderful, tasty, crispy outside edge to all of the steak and a delicious juiciness inside. Fair enough, flame grilling has its caution in that you've got to be careful, you will get a lot of flame. So watch how I do it tonight. Follow me. Okay, so you just finish off seasoning your steaks. If you're going to flame grill, you really need then to add just a little bit of olive oil in mine. So what that will do is that will help the flames kind of take when you slam this onto the barbecue grill. So the thing about flaming is that you'll get a fantastic char on the outside, but you'll still get it nice and pink in the middle. Whereas if you don't get any flame, you have to wait for the outside to get charred, and by the time that's happened, you might find the middle part has gone to medium or even well done. This method makes sure you get beautiful outside charring, still get a rare steak in the middle or a medium rare depending on what you're after. Okay, so you can see the heat's right round to the full searing range now. So what I'd say is keep this fat near to that fat so they can help each other create flames. What we're after is just that flame there. Putting that fat there. So hit these two buttons, can you see those flames? That's going to really help char that fat. Fantastic. And then there's the thinner one, which I gave less time. Just wrap them in a nice soft towel and we'll just let them rest and be beautiful and tender. So you see the juice is all collected. Where you keep that. Okay, I just wanted to show you what a slice of this looks like. See here is it's rare, the burnt outer edge, the char, and then over here you've got the melted buttery fat, and then here you've got a little piece of crispy fat. So I cut it thin. So, and the reason is, if the thinner you cut it, it means you can put the whole piece in your mouth, and that way you get all of the flavors that we want out of that steak. Fantastic. Flame grilled T-bones.